Yeah, very nice.
Good movie.
What was the best part of the movie?
I didn't understand anything.
Very fine.
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा मूवी में?
I think acting and the suspense about the protagonist and Sushant Singh Rajput also.
Direction or
Very
storyline?
good, very fun, very fun, very good.
Which song did you like the most?
I don't know about the song. I think and the theme song which is playing, the rock music just playing at the end of the
Is it
credits.
a one-time watch movie or you can watch it?
You can watch again.
It's good.
What was the best part of the movie?
The ending, yeah, basically.
Okay, direction कैसा था? Story wise?
Story is quite good. The second half actually gets better, a bit faster. But the first half was a bit slower.
Is there any flaws in the movie or something?
I didn't notice any.
Is it a one-time watch movie or you can watch?
Yeah. It is definitely a one time, and if you like it, you can watch more, right?
How's the movie?
The movie is outstanding. It's like it's probably one of the best movies I've seen since Off Late, and every scene, every shot, every angle. I'll watch it again. You watch it again and again. It's
The best part of the movie?
the whole movie is best. It's
Direction wise?
everything. It's the best storytelling thing, and every shot, everything is great. Like I'm still having the hangover, and it'll be staying for a longer time.
Is it a one-time watch movie or
No. It's a 10-time watch movie. At least 10 times watch movie.
It's a good movie.
what was the best part of the movie?
Shushan, he's the best.
His acting or
His acting and the way he approached for each of the situation, so that's really good. The story, it holds the story till end. Like the suspense is really good.
Baka Banerjee was there, so direction कैसा था?
Direction was good. Direction,
Music-wise, कैसा?
music-wise, and the way they have shown Kolkata in 1939, it's really good. The way the set and everything is done, it's too good.
Is it a one-time watch movie or you can watch again?
I don't think so. Any suspense movies are which you can go for another time. Like so, I think one time watch.
I think so. I think the cinematography was amazing, and I think they cut scenes very quickly. I also thought that the Barker did a really great job of, I think, having a great soundtrack. A lot of people were talking about that, and I was surprised by Sushant Singh Rajput, and I was also surprised by the attention to detail. I'm a Bengali, so I was really surprised by how everything really looked like old Calcutta, and all the details were great.
According to you, is it a one-time watch movie or you can watch again?
Well, it's a thriller, so I don't think everybody can watch thrillers repeatedly. But it's there's a lot of gore. It's not easy to watch. There's a lot of gore, and it's a thriller. So if you want to watch that again, you can. But it's hard.
Very well, very well made, outstanding film.
What was the best part of the movie?
The best part of the movie, of course, was the direction and the story. And of course, to add to it, there was so much of detailing, like the clothes and the whole 1920s and 1940s, whatever that time ka setup, and the detailing was very good.
Did you find any flaws in the movie because it's a 1940s movie? So
Yeah, I just found like shuru mein I love Sneha, who's done the music, but I just found that the background got very rock, which I thought, for 1940s kind of didn't, especially when the suspense and all would come, or when there would be some, कुछ realization होता था कि अच्छा ये बंदा है ये, वो जो suspense का भांडा फूटता था, so they would be like very English and rock music, which I thought was literally odd considering the setup was that era, I think I would. Watch it again, specifically because of, there were so many things that you kind of miss. Because there's one suspense in the other, काफी suspense था, so sometimes you kind of miss out. So if I see it again the next time, maybe things would fall into perspective. So yeah, I would see it again.